Fifth grade is the final year of elementary, and for many students, it's also the first step toward discovering a future career they may want to pursue.
My favorite part of the tour has been the FFA part because I'm really interested in animals and how they produce their life cycle.
More than 2,100 students visited the Dr. Daniel P. King PSJA College and University Center to tour the facility. Experts say exposing students early helps spark curiosity about future opportunities.
We want our fifth graders to learn at an early age so they can build a strong foundation academically and to make sure that they are aware of the different career pathways.
During the tour, students explored a variety of careers and extracurricular activities they can join in middle school, including fine arts such as playing an instrument. They can also learn about athletics.
If you are interested in starting swimming already,
and hands-on career fields like EMS, welding, automotive mechanics, and even cosmetology, among others. For students interested in joining an extracurricular activity in middle school, be sure to talk to your school counselor.